Last week, we made okonomiyaki, and if you still have some of that homemade sauce left over, don't throw it out. This time, we're using that special sauce to make authentic Japanese yakisoba. Yes, we'll be cooking up that savory, sweet, and slightly smoky Japanese fried noodle dish, which you can easily make at home. But yakisoba's not your average fried noodles. It's all about that authentic flavor from the special seasonings and the perfect chewy noodle and veggie combo. So, ready to make yakisoba that's as amazing as you get at a restaurant? Then let's get started. First, slice 150 grams of sirloin into smaller, bite-sized pieces. Put the beef in a bowl and coat it with okonomiyaki sauce. Mix well and let it marinate briefly. While that marinates, rinse the yakisoba noodles. Then, thinly slice a small carrot, 3 to 4 mushrooms, about quarter of a cabbage, half a small onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Chop 2 green onions and set everything aside for later. Now, heat a wok or large pan over medium-high heat and add a little cooking oil. Sauté the sliced onion until softened and fragrant. Then, add the marinated sirloin and cook for about 6 minutes, or until cooked through. Reheat the wok over medium-high heat, then add a drizzle of cooking oil. Add the chopped garlic and sauté until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Next, add the carrots and mushrooms and cook for a minute or two until slightly softened. Pour in the Okonomiyaki sauce and kombu broth. Stir well to combine. Add the cabbage and sauté until it just begins to wilt. Then add the pre-sautéed sirloin. Toss everything to mix well. Pour in a bit more sauce if desired and add the noodles. Continue to sauté and toss until the noodles are heated through and everything is nicely combined. Add in the chopped green onion and give it another mix. Season with salt, pepper, and mushroom powder to taste. And it's done. Serve immediately while still warm to enjoy it at its best. Sprinkle more green onion and top it with Katsuobushi. Add pickled red ginger for extra color and flavor. Who knew last week's homemade sauce could be the secret to restaurant-style yakisoba? Chewy noodles, amazing flavor, and your favorite toppings. So good. Try it at home and tell me about your version in the comments. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting recipes. See you in the next video. Bye.